This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and clicking the three-dot menu at the top right. This is your gateway. Once done, choose Settings to land on the main configuration page, because advanced options are nested there. You should make sure Chrome is up to date so the advanced flags and settings behave predictably. If sync is on, sign into your profile now, which keeps preferences consistent across devices and prevents surprise differences when changing advanced controls. Once the settings page loads, scroll down and click Advanced to reveal the hidden sections. This expands privacy, system, and reset controls. You'll find many advanced toggles grouped logically, so use the search box at the top to jump straight to a specific option. It saves time and avoids guessing. Make changes deliberately. Read each description, because toggles like hardware acceleration or background apps affect performance and battery life. Keep a mental note. Next, type Chrome//flags in the address bar to access experimental features that aren't in normal settings. These are powerful but potentially unstable. When you enable or disable a flag, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Do that to apply changes and test behavior right away. If something goes wrong, revert the specific flag or click Reset All to default. This restores stability. One troubleshooting tip: if Chrome won't start after a change, start in safe mode or a new profile to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.